My name is Patrick Findley. I'm the president of the Alabama Numismatic Society, and I'm making this video to warn people of the counterfeits that are coming into this country, mainly from China. A gentleman the other day bought by some silver rounds that he wanted me to check, and unfortunately I had to break the bad news that one of his silver rounds was a counterfeit. And just looking at these, how many people could tell the difference between the counterfeit and the real one? Very few, unless thorough tests are done. This is a machine that was invented a few years ago. It's called the Precious Metal Verifier. Now, these are great little machines. They're rather expensive, but I'm going to set this on 999 silver, and we'll see what happens. Okay, 999 pure silver. And now I'm going to put this one to the left, and let's see how it shows up. If it's authentic, the bars should be in the brackets. You see that bar there? It's right in the brackets, so that's a good one. And now I'm going to put this the counterfeit to the right, and let's see if it catches it. There it goes. Look at the arrow. That tells me it's not in the brackets, so that tells me it's a counterfeit. Now these machines, they're not perfect, but they will weed out 99% of the counterfeits. If I ever have any doubts, you can weigh them. They should weigh about 31.1 grams, but sometimes they can run a little bit more. Okay, that one's 31.1. That's the real one. And now I'm going to put the counterfeit on here, and let's see, 31.1, and it's also showing up just right. Now, some of these rounds can actually weigh up to 31.3 to 31.4 grams. Even some of the American Eagles made by the U.S. government weigh a little bit over 31.1 grams, mainly because the government and the refineries who are selling silver, they want to guarantee that each one does have 1 ounce. And sometimes they actually do go a little bit over. And another test that can be done is a few minutes ago, I did the old scratch test. On top there is the authentic pure silver scratch, and the one at the bottom is the counterfeit. And as you can see, look at the color, look at the copper color at the bottom. Even though this counterfeit is silver colored, when you scratch it, the copper will bleed through. And if I ever have any other doubts, I like to use the 18 karat gold testing acid. Now, when I put it on pure silver, it will bleed the blue out, and I want you to look at the difference here. The one on top is the pure silver, and the one at the bottom is the counterfeit. And there may be just a little traces of blue in the bottom. That tells me it's a silver plate on the outer layer and all. So again, I'm making this video to warn people of the dangers. The dealers such as myself and others across the country are trying to fight this problem and all, because so many people will be buying gold and silver, and what they will be buying is counterfeits. So I'm just saying, be careful. Be real careful when you're buying gold and silver.